am a camel. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Obviously, you've seen by the title, either that or you literally just clicked a random video and landed on this one, so just gotta place all these command blocks down. Oh yeah. Game rule, command block output false. Creeper, name it. There. Now I'm a creeper. Okay, wait a minute. I think something's wrong. Ah, yes. Fixed it. But yeah, this is basically what the Morph mod does. It just makes you whatever you name LOL, or whatever you set the name to be. So this Morph is actually not killable, so that is pretty useful. Still hitting it. Netherite sword crits. Cannot kill this. Frankly, because of what I've done. And if you want to unmorph, I guess you would just take a name tag and an anvil. What you would do if you wanted to unmorph was just name your morph a different name. Grum, and no longer morphed. So without further ado, let's see how I made this. You're going to want 8 command blocks, all repeating. 2, 4, 6, 8. Before you start coding, you want to actually make it always active because they're all going to be always active. Bruh. And that will always TP whatever is named brah with an A to link0640 right here. That command block done. This one would just give the effect to name equals bruh. Make sure you spelled it exactly, like caps and everything. Then you want to do resistance for actually however long you want. I just want it to be at the maximum so that if it's away from the command blocks, it won't be TP'd to me, but it'll just still be invincible. So yeah, now it TP's to you. What else could go wrong? Well, your morph could actually push you. So here's the thing. We want it to team add no touch. So it'll add no touch. Team modify no touch. Make it always active. And we're just gonna go collision rule is never. And also one more thing, team modify no touch. See friendly invisibles false. We want to team join no touch to the player, which for this case is me. So yeah, always active. Team join no touch at E with the name of whatever you want the name to be. Bruh is this one. Always active. And now this should act as a morph. There's one more. I cannot remember which one it was. It's the invisibility. Set name, effect give name, invisibility, 100,255, true. And you just want to make it always active. Okay, now it is a fully working morph mod. So if I just go ahead and make this say bruh, name you bruh, now it works. Yay. Grum. Bruh. Haha. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.